How to share iCloud storage with family on iPhone. So if you want to share your iCloud storage with family on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you just simply go with your name. And from here, scroll down, go with iCloud. Within the iCloud section, you'll have storage option. You need to tap on storage. This will show you your current storage usage and plan. Next, you need to tap on change storage plan. A list of available plans will appear with different amount of storage, such as 50 GB or 200 GB. You can just simply tap on upgrade, which will be on the bottom. To view all of the options, you can also go with see all plans and select the plan that best suits your need. Then tap on subscribe. This plan upgrades your storage to one that can be shared with family members. Once your subscription is active, you can go back to your iCloud settings page. Here you will see an option called share with family. Tap on it and then tap on continue. You'll be given two options, which is set it up later or invite others right away. Choose invite others, and now you can send invitations through airdrop messages, mails, or other apps. Simply pick the method that you prefer and select the family members, contact, and send the invite. Once your family members receive and accept the invitation, they will automatically gain access to the shared iCloud storage plan. After sending the invite, so you need to just simply tap on done. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.